you believe in something, you truly believe that you can get the job done and win, you will win.
Denied right there.
Those type of plays has to be done from somebody that has that swagger, that they believe that this moment belongs to himself.
That's where success comes from. Believing in yourself, just making it to where you work so hard to get.
When you have hunger for something, you're going to go get it by any means necessary.
They don't believe us, man. You're going to make them believe us, man. Oh, man. You're going to make them believe us.
Come on, fellas. This is the first step, fellas. This is the first step. Come on now. Everybody got to believe.
Right now. Yeah, it's the time, baby. It's the time right now.
It's the first step.
Let's go. Showtime!
Hoorah!
Showtime!
Hoorah!
Showtime!
Hoorah!
1, 2, 3.
Fellas.
Man, about to start. Beginning of the second season. So everybody work hard for during the year. Get here.
It's just another day, another game, man. That's how you gotta look at it. I don't want to be too excited, so I gotta act like I ain't cool.
Energy. That's all we need.
Playoff time. Buy program. Spurs Mavs. Come on.
Seems like every year we're here. Every road goes through here. So I guess it's good to start here.
Yeah, journey about to begin right now. So tune on in.
We just got to focus on, every task at hand. Every game is going to be different, and I think we're all ready for the challenge.
I do not need a motivational speech today from our team. We don't need to give you guys one. The excitement in the city, the excitement in this building is good enough.
Let's go, dominate championship. 1, 2, 3, dominate. 4, 5, 6, championship.
Welcome to Time Warner Cable Arena in Charlotte, where for the first time in team history, the Bobcats are going to host an NBA playoff game.
Oh man, this is pandemonium out here. This city's been waiting for something like this for so long. It's gonna be electric in there.
It's gonna be live, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You're gonna see tonight. It's packed, a lot of noise.
Might not ever get this opportunity again. So you got to play lights out for 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Let's go. Expect the game to be more physical, but we got to be part of that. All right? We got to be aggressive early. And the last thing, we can beat these guys.
It's always the same stuff. Defend, rebound, and take care of the basketball.
Westbrook up the crossover, has daylight. Down the lane! Oh, he rears back! Thumps it down with a right-hand sledgehammer over Odom and says, let's go, crowd, let's go!
Camby left to the key, Stoudemire backs off. Now the pass, cutting to the rim, Laurie, and he lays it in! James against James Johnson. To the rack, and the right-handed dunk! Right in the grill of James Johnson! Oh my goodness, I've seen it all tonight!
Jumper's good. Melo cannot miss. May be the best game I've ever seen him play. 2-on-1. Nash. Richardson. Bam!
We're right there. Couple scores and stop. Be aggressive, keep attacking. Come on. Hey! We gotta go get it. All right?
Hey, get a stop, Ryan, get a stop!
Don't relax. You gotta do it right now. This is the most important part of the game, right now.
Pierce with 3 seconds. Now takes 2 steps. Fall away at the buzzer. Got it!
Oh, it's over. It's over. Sound the bell.
Kobe against Westbrook in the front court. Kobe right side dribbling to the baseline. Jump stop. Step back. No. Gasol puts it back in with 0.5 seconds. And after 6 grueling games, the Lakers have finally dispatched the upstart Thunder.
Hey guys, that's a great job, though. It really is. Great job. All right.
1, 2, 3.
One series down,
Next up, San Antonio Spurs, playoff basketball.
Great win, y'all.
No, I know what I was telling you was good job, man. What I was telling you
Great
was
win.
they do this
You know what? Just steps now.
Yeah.
One step at a time. You know, way to work, man. First playoff in advance. That's big.
That's big.
That's big.
That's big.
We gotta go get it. We gotta go get it. Let's go. Go get it.
Rondo to Garnett.
I got one thing to tell you. I was going to Orlando after this series regardless. Now we're all going. Now I'm bringing my troops with me, all right?
Looks like he's got quite a bit of swelling on that eye, but he's going to give it a try here. Three by Nash. Card! One-eyed shooter is Steve Nash.